Hey, here we have Westclock, model 15550. It's a nice little clock, loud bell alarm, no batteries or electricity required, luminous hands, and here we have the alarm.